I'm Lisa Balick. Welcome to the 10. A win for residents in an apartment building near the ICE facility in South Portland. A federal judge ruling that tear gas can no longer be used by federal agents at that facility if it sends that chemical into their homes. That includes deploying pepper balls and other chemical munitions. The judge ruled the federal agents did not have adequate justification for the chemical barrage that has seeped into the Gray's Landing apartments nearby. Our Ariel Salk joining us live from outside of the apartments. Ariel, you've been talking to some of the residents all day about this. What are they telling you at this point?
I mean, the majority of the tenants that I've been talking to are overjoyed, but others don't think it will make a difference.
I feel like it's like a really good break for all of us because the tear gas has just induced a lot of suffering.
4 months, federal agents at the South Portland ICE facility have been using tear gas and other chemical weapons on protesters outside their building. But at times, that gas was seeping into the low-income apartment complex, Gray's Landing, across the street.
We actually had to flee the building because it was burning our eyes, our nose, our throat.
According to court documents, residents are reporting ongoing symptoms, such as chest pains, coughing, blurred vision, burning eyes, and headaches. Some even testifying needing to wear gas masks inside their own homes.
One night, a canister landed directly under our air conditioning, and it just flooded the entire thing with tear gas. I was sick, my cats were sick. It causes diarrhea. It's horrible.
The U.S. District Court judge granted a preliminary injunction Friday. Federal agents cannot deploy chemical munitions that are likely to reach the apartment complex. The exception is when there is an imminent threat to lives.
Well, I think the whole building is just thrilled. I mean, it was a long procedure. We've been waiting for months, and there's something that we're suffering from that will be gone now. It's wonderful.
But some residents are skeptical if this ruling will stop the gas.
Deep down, no. I hope and pray that the injunction will stop them, but I think they might find an excuse to just do it anyway.
The judge wrote, "This case is not about the rights of protesters, but the use of these munitions violating the rights of nearby businesses and residents."
So it wasn't just us being tear gassed in our apartment. There was mental health issues, people having to leave their homes, kids being taken to the hospital. There's been a lot of layers to this, and it needed to be addressed.
ICE and the Department of Homeland Security says officers deployed crowd-controlled devices in response to violent protests at the ICE facility. We reached out to those agencies for comment, still waiting on a response. Now, that preliminary injunction, that's temporary, but the judge says it's appropriate because the tenants are likely to win the case. Reporting live in South Portland, Ariel Salk, KOIN 6 News.